They say it's best to bring the change when you are at a growth. Today at Nature Biofoods, we took a new initiative, a new challenge, a new development initiative. Each and every employee, and in total about 300 of us, would contribute 4 hours every month, resulting into 48 hours every year, and 300 employees would make these hours count go up to more than 12,000 hours of contribution towards a sustainable development future. But it's a very strong initiative where all of us will come together and participate and record it. It's more of a development. It will link to our HR programs where each and every contribution that one will make will get recorded into the system and therefore will thus give a very fruitful results going forward.